GeminAi3.1 MAX is not what you think. And if you're about to buy it right now, pause. Give me 2 minutes, this could save you money. Because this is not going to be a typical "this tool is amazing" review. When I first saw GeminAi3.1 MAX, I actually thought, okay, this looks different. Not overhyped? Not screaming instant riches. But that's exactly what made me suspicious. So instead of trusting the sales page, I decided to break it. Here's the reality nobody talks about: 90% of AI tools today are repackaged, overpriced and underwhelming. They look powerful, but once you log in, you realize it's just another content generator. So I logged into GeminAi3.1 MAX and tested it like a complete beginner. No tricks, no special setup. First few minutes, honestly, pretty smooth. Clean dashboard, simple layout, fast response. It actually felt promising. But then, about halfway through testing, something didn't feel right. Let's break it down. You get AI content tools, automation workflows, monetization angles, templates on paper. Solid. But here's the truth: this is not a push-button income tool. And if you believe that, you will be disappointed. Because I tested it multiple times. Different inputs. Different setups. And I realized, the output depends heavily on you. Here's what I saw: basic usage, average results; smart usage, good results. Yes, it works, but not the way most people expect. And this is where most people fail. They expect automation, but ignore strategy. Let's be fair. What's good? Beginner-friendly, fast AI output, clean experience, useful as a support tool. What's not good? Not fully automated, requires thinking. Some outputs feel generic, can be misused easily. Now here's something important. And this might actually frustrate you. The front-end price looks cheap. But once you go inside the funnel, there are upsells. Now I'm not saying it's bad, but you need to be aware. Because this is where most people overspend. Compared to other AI tools, easier than complex systems but less powerful than premium AI stacks, so it's a middle ground tool. Buy this if you're a beginner, you want help, not automation. You're building content. Avoid this if you want done-for-you money. You're advanced, you hate learning curves. So, is GeminAi3.1 MAX worth it? It's useful but not magical, and honestly, that's not a bad thing. Because tools don't make money. People do. If you still want to check it out, link in description, go through it carefully. Don't rush. Make a smart decision.